iAmTaiBoogie.
Would have been cool if it was a roll-off.
Huh.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Porsche comes for you. Tony said, ain't no amount of money.
Tony!
What up, bro?
Tony,
What's up, man?
Gacho said when we racing next week, he said that minimum 50,000 each side.
Doesn't matter, bro. Yo,
Okay.
I got 99 problem. Money one in one.
Oh shit! I like Tony. I like y'all got a lot of money.
Bro, look at this guy here. He came all the way out of New Jersey.
You're gonna have to get a pen and a piece of paper. Because there's gonna be money coming from everywhere.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Tony,
Let me take care of it. Let me take care of it, bro.
Okay.
Because we don't want to get a screw, bro.
Tony, where's your money machine
Don't fuck
thingy?
me,
But we have to have somebody has a writing.
That's what he's doing right now.
I'm showing you writing right here. 28,000.
What?
Who put up 28,000?
Alex, kaç var?
2,800.
I thought you had 7,500. You cheap, right?
Farouk's plan. That's what he did.
Abi sayacağız mı bunları ya? No abi, if he said. No,
100%. No. You should, honestly, you don't have to, but you should trust me. I count.
Abi, we have to count. What about?
Where's the machine?
We always got fucked end of the night.
Hey, listen.
You bring the machine?
Hey,
I'm on a. You say you're gonna bring the machine?
Yeah, but let's count. We haven't plenty time. This
Watch.
not here yet.
Okay, count. 20 and 20 if I count.
That's what I'm saying. I couldn't.
count already?
ATMs only.
I got 12,000.
This man's got 12 racks.
And he
I
got
got 12,000. Yeah.
he got 20 grand.
Farouk got 20.
Yo, we need back. We need this back.
12,000. Don't worry. I'm gonna hold everything. The money right now. We're gonna go 100K right now.
That's different,
We're not bringing that many people. Don't
bro.
worry.
We're not.
Hey, me and Jamie March gonna take care of it.
That's
Don't
it.
worry.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, it's happening. It's happening. I came
It's
all the way
happening.
from
It's
New
happening, bro.
Hampshire. I'll be
Get
there
that money ready.
soon. You got my, hey, you got my word.
That's it. Get that money ready, baby. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Do you know how much pot you have
Hold on.
already?
Yo, let me call you back in 5 minutes. You got my word. All right.
Abi 1,000. What was your name, bro?
What if you don't got that much?
Dan Dinero.
Don Dinero.
Did you count it?
Yes.
How much?
This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 grand.
12,000. Okay. I got it. But
Now, my man right here.
oh, Johnny.
Oh,
How much?
5.
5 grand, Johnny. Put over here.
Johnny, 5K.
You're gonna put in the bag, abi. Put it.
Yes, we will.
Don't worry, 1 second.
Johnny 5,000. Okay. What else?
Okay.
Hold on. Faruk abi, how much?
20 grand.
20. Oh, shit.
Yo, that 20 grand. 10's mine. 10's his.
Just put 20 right there.
20 grand. Yeah.
Farouk, yeah.
Okay, 20 grand. Put him on, abi. Give me this 1,000. Another 1,000?
Anybody wants to buy a house?
Johnny, 6,000. You're not gonna. You got it ready. Oh, you had it right there. 6.
Put it in here. Put it in here.
Okay, that's it.
And we're only bringing 15, 20 people. That's it. That's what I told all my volunteers. We told them we're bringing 15 to 20 people. That's it.
Nobody's
So,
started.
you know. So, you tell me how many guys you're gonna bring from your side. I'm gonna bring the same thing.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? That's it. Okay, we got 60.
180. 180.
Okay, so 30, 35 is maximum.
Can he first tell us how much they have so we can match?
Jamie, can you do me a favor? Can you tell me?
Because, like I said, we have so many people here, they have so many people here, no argument, no fighting, nothing. Farouk gonna meet Jamie Marsh. sitting in the car together. They both got a 30,000 pop. All I want to know here is this. Hey, Ibo, we ready? I'm just going to literally go to the race spot. I'm going to give that Honda 3 minutes to prep. We're going to flip the lane. Rock and roll. Done.
Head down, huh? No 5 cars.
Wait for the lane, then you lane.
Huh?
No 5 cars. You were saying 5 cars.
No. I didn't say 5 cars. I said heads up.
Heads up.
I didn't say 5 cars. Heads up off the light. So I'm probably going to be taking nap on the light.
Yes.
No nap. No nap. Wake up.
But give him a little chance. So let him exciting. You never watched the movie? It says, Monica. Yo, you gotta put that on the video.
You gotta send me the link. I
I want
don't.
to put that on the video. I wanted him to say, Monica.
What movie that from?
That's not moving.
I think it's too fast and furious.
Oh,
I know. So this is what we're gonna do. I tried to do with the
Did
Evo,
you decide who's getting ready second? You or him?
who cares, bro? He can't get. I can't get. I give him the option because mine takes 2 seconds.
Yeah, but then you sleep and it shuts off.
I'm gonna sleep regardless. I don't know why. I'm old. I fucking get sleep when I'm driving.
Give me. I already said that. I'm a little bit younger.
So this is the deal. And listen, by the way, if I fucking lose the race tonight, no one see me in the Facebook anymore. I'm putting the car in auction.
Wait. You said what? You said what?
Yo, if we lose the race, just in case something happened, I'm putting the car in auction. And I'm buying a fucking ticket, go back another country.
Wait. What do you say? If you lose? You think you're gonna lose?
Bro, how many times you gonna make me say that?
I don't know. I lost it. I didn't get it.
Are you
the
work
first
with the
time.
Honda guys? So if I lose,
So, are you gonna buy a Honda or make it pink? Make
I'm
it
not buying
pink.
anything, bro. I'm gonna buy a fucking minivan and that's it. I'm done.
No, make it pink. Make it pink like you told them. Come on, do it.
So I'm gonna sell the car, and I'm gonna probably move another country, Cuba or something. Change my name, put a fucking Lopez or something, you know? That's it.
You'll still see Hondas there though.
Get it suntan and get a little dark. They think I'm a Brazilian.
Take the Porsche.
I got it, bro. Go fast. Yeah, I got it.
If the light goes up, you brake. Everything.
Simple what? I don't jump. I sleep on the light. Go ahead. No chases around. He jumps the light, he loses. Flip the lane and flip the flagger. What way with the juice?
That's not good.
Dog?
God.
No, if you already told me.
we have connected.
good. I don't know if we can sell it.
Yeah, okay. What do you guys call?
No.
What are you gonna call? What are you gonna call? Heads or tails? Call it. Call it. I'm just gonna throw and drop it. Whatever. You throw the coin. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Hold on. Who's gonna throw it?
You can fucking throw it. If you want to do it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yo, you throw it, he call it.
Okay. You call it. What is it?
Head, baby.
Basically,
The other side, you know what has been this big ass.
what away, guys?
Now left.
All right.
We got right. So, flagger. Yo,
Doug,
Gacho.
Doug, oh, we spoke to the flagger with.
No, I know we just spoke, but who's going first?
Both cars.
Both cars, bro.
Same time.
Hey, he wasn't there though. He wasn't there. That's why.
He's gonna go like this.
He's gonna go like
bunch
this.
of deals where you're not being here.
No, it's okay. So he's gonna go like that.
Turn your headlights off. When you're ready.
No, I'm on my lights on. I'm gonna high beam.
Somebody stand up in the window and tell
He
him
needs
ready.
to know.
I'm gonna high beam him, bro. Fucking LED lights.
That's fine. He's gonna do the
You know
same
you gave me
thing.
3 cars. They too.
So he's gonna go like that. He's gonna go 2-step. I'll go 2-step. He's gonna flash. I flash and go.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
That's simple.
İbrahim abi. İbrahim abi.
They're not gonna listen.
Hadi İbrahim abi hadi.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready to go.
Oh, he's about to take a hit, I think. God damn.
I don't know, bro.
What you think? What you think, man?
I think out the hole he'll catch him maybe a car and a half.
Right.
You know, then second maybe he'll stretch to 2 cars, and then third and fourth I think up top it'll be a close race.
Yeah. I think up top the Civic should shine, but I think
so too.
But I think the 60-foot the Porsche might be out the hole first if he doesn't sleep.
Damn, bro. Oh, okay.
Here you go, guys.
Airdrop me. Oh, airdrop me. Okay. Come over and watch the video.
I see that.
No, watch the video.
I'm next to you.
No, I watched the video. I watched the video. Show me. No. Show me. Look.
Yes.
Oh!
Yes, clear fucking lights. Yes.
Show them too.
I see I'm next to you. Okay.
Show me. Show me how I catch the fucking light. No. People gonna take care of it tomorrow, trust me. And this man right here gonna take care of it. Because I'm gonna give listen. I'm gonna give this man right here. I'm gonna give this man right here $300 tonight out of my pocket. Damn.
Okay,
You bet
let's
the
go.
money?
Let's go.
Nah, I bet.
Put on trailer now or you put them on? Bad. I put up $12,000.
Yo, listen. I wanna know. I also wanna know. Fucking Mohammed told me he wanted to race me with his GTR, 7-second GTR. So let him fucking line up too.
Next call out?
Next one. Tell him to fucking go over there, right? 7-second GTR. Come on.
Whatever. I don't know.
Whatever. Race my 10-second Porsche.
Yo, hold on. Let you get too big. Hold on. You said tonight.
I am Ty Boogie.